In this video, I'm going to show you how to add page numbers to your PDF document. Now, this is completely free to do and it's also really easy as well. So first, just go and open up an internet browser, type in PDF page number online and then press search. You can then scroll down until you see a website called ilovepdf.com and click on this. You can then click select PDF file and you'll need to go and upload your PDF document. Once it's been uploaded, you can go and select either single page or facing pages. I'm just going to press single page. You can then decide the permission of where you want these page numbers to be displayed. So I'm going to select in the top left hand side. You can then come down to where it says first number and you can select what page number you want to start from. So I'm just going to leave this on page number 1, and you can also change the format as well. So you can have this set so it just shows the page number, or you can have the text page and then the number after the text. This just comes down to personal preference, and then click on add page numbers. Once you've done this, click on the download PDF, and you can then click on your downloads folder and go and open up this file. As you can see, the page numbers have now been added to our document. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.